Go on, like a hell. What's up, y'all? We are out here with the Extreme Jet Skiing group. It's been a while since a lot of us have ridden together because of COVID and some issues of, skis going down. Just people have been busy. So today we have a nice beach day. It's 80 degrees today and we're supposed to hit the beach. Enough talking, let's get to riding. Hey, Miss Ma'am. Hi, guys. I haven't seen you on forever. Dang, look at him. That's the gas man right there.
Now that's a wrap.
Oh, but I forgot. We got to do a safety meeting real quick because we have about 13 skis with us today and it's a river ride. We got to make sure everybody stays safe. Dan, when you do that, why don't you let me know ahead of time so I can get it on video? Is it sand?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh my gosh! Come hit these waves, and there's a lot of waves going on right now. It's crazy! It's the most I've ever seen it out here. Well, I've been out here. Damn, it's a little like... Oh shit, here comes the waves! a video out there because the memory in my camera was full. But man, it was so much fun out there. I got freaking soaking wet while trying to film somebody else with my cell phone. And I didn't even notice a big wave was coming. Good times, I'm telling you, good times. Guys, look, I'm freaking just being by myself and look at these waves trying to break behind me. Don't get caught slipping out here, guys. Before you know it, you're like just talking, messing with the camera, and a big wave tries to break behind you, right on top of you, and you're like, oh shit, I gotta go! And they're breaking at different angles. It's crazy. Well, that was fun. All I know is I got super wet. Where did you lead us to? You didn't see that there was a bird there?
You can't even see it from
Hey,
here.
dude.